10 airport luggage hacks airlines hate never lose your bag. The airport nightmare no one talks about. Imagine landing in a new country, excited for your dream vacation, only to wait by the carousel for hours. And your luggage never arrives. It's every traveler's worst nightmare. Airlines lose millions of bags every year, and most passengers don't know how easily it can happen to them. But here's the good news. With a few clever tricks, you can outsmart the system. These are 10 luggage hacks airlines secretly hate because they keep you one step ahead and almost guarantee your bag will never go missing. Think about it. You've saved for months, planned every detail, only for your belongings to vanish into a black hole. These hacks are your insurance against panic, tears, and lost time. And trust me, once you know them, you'll never look at airport luggage the same way again. Number 1. The bright bag trick. Airlines don't want you to know this. The duller your bag looks, the easier it is to vanish into the sea of black suitcases. That's why one of the smartest hacks is to pick a brightly colored suitcase or add bold, unique identifiers. Think neon tags, giant stickers, or even a patterned strap. Baggage handlers move fast, and they'll toss look-alike bags onto the wrong cart without blinking. But a bag that screams for attention? That's harder to ignore, harder to lose, and nearly impossible for someone else to mistakenly grab. A simple splash of color can mean the difference between going home stressed or strolling out of the airport worry-free. Airlines hate this because it makes their conveyor chaos too easy to spot. Number 2. Photograph your luggage before check-in. Here's a trick airlines hate because it gives you leverage. Before handing over your bag, snap several clear photos of it, including the contents inside. Why? If your bag disappears, you now have proof of what it looked like and what was inside. Most airlines delay compensation claims because passengers can't describe their luggage accurately. But with photos in hand, you instantly remove their excuse to stall, and that means faster payouts and faster recovery of your belongings. Plus, you'll have a personal record of valuables for insurance claims. Think of it as building your own defense file before stepping onto the plane. Number 3. The carry-on secret. Pack like your checked bag will vanish. Let's face it, even with all the hacks in the world, mistakes happen. That's why the smartest travelers pack their carry-on as though their checked luggage will never arrive. Keep a change of clothes, essentials like medications, chargers, and travel documents with you at all times. Airlines hate this mindset because it lowers their control. While others panic and buy overpriced replacements, you'll walk out of the airport calm, confident, and fully prepared. Number 4. Use a smart tracker. Outsmart the airlines. This is the one hack that truly frustrates airlines. Using a GPS tracker like an Apple AirTag or tile inside your bag. With one tiny device, you can see exactly where your luggage is, even if the airline claims they can't locate it. There have been cases where passengers tracked their bags better than the airlines themselves. Imagine being told your suitcase is lost, only to pull out your phone and prove it's sitting in another terminal. Suddenly, the power shifts back into your hands. Airlines lose the ability to play dumb, and you gain priceless peace of mind knowing exactly where your stuff is, minute by minute. Number 5. Print your own tag. Don't rely on airlines alone. That flimsy paper tag airlines slap on your bag is a recipe for disaster. One wrong tug, one conveyor belt jam, and your identification is gone. That's why savvy travelers print their own durable luggage tag with name, email, and phone number and attach it securely inside and outside the bag. This simple step ensures that if the airline loses the official tag, your bag still has a way home. Number 6. Avoid tight connections. The silent bag killer. Here's a secret many don't realize. Your bag is more likely to vanish when you book short layovers. Why? Because baggage handlers simply don't have enough time to transfer it from one plane to another. Even a 5-minute delay can mean your bag misses the flight. Always choose longer connections when you can, at least 90 minutes. Airlines push tight connections to sell tickets, but what they won't admit is how often it results in lost luggage. Number 7. Weigh and balance. Don't let airlines use overweight excuses. Did you know overweight luggage is more likely to be delayed or pulled aside? Airlines secretly hate heavy bags because they slow down loading. If your bag is overweight, it might be the first one left behind when a plane is over capacity. Always weigh your bag before arriving at the airport. Keep it within limits, not just to avoid fees, but to make sure it doesn't mysteriously get bumped to the next flight. A portable luggage scale costs almost nothing. Number 8. The inside note hack. Make airlines call you. One hack almost no one uses is placing a note inside your luggage. Write your name, phone number, and itinerary on a sheet of paper and place it right on top of your clothes. If your outside tag is ripped off, baggage handlers who open the suitcase immediately know how to reach you. Airlines hate this because it bypasses their slow tracing system. Number 9. Shrink wrap or strap. Protect your bag from tampering. Ever notice those plastic wrapping machines in airports? They're not just for show. Bags that are wrapped or strapped are harder to open, harder to damage, and harder to tamper with. Baggage handlers often skip over wrapped bags simply because they take longer to deal with. While airlines make no profit from these services, passengers who use them end up with safer, less lost luggage. That's why this hack is one they'll never encourage. Even if you don't wrap, using a luggage strap creates an extra barrier, one that not only protects your suitcase, but also makes it instantly recognizable. Number 10. Never fly without luggage insurance, your safety net. Here's the final hack, the one airlines truly hate. Travel insurance that covers lost luggage. Because when you're insured, they can't brush you off or minimize the value of your belongings. Most people skip insurance thinking, it won't happen to me. But the truth is, if your bag disappears, insurance is the difference between walking away empty-handed or being reimbursed thousands. Combine insurance with smart trackers, bright bags, and carry-on essentials, and you've practically bulletproofed yourself against the chaos of modern air travel. From brightening your bag to tracking it with GPS, the next time you fly, remember, you don't have to be at the mercy of airlines. With a little strategy, you can ensure your luggage arrives safely, every time. And when you do, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without these tricks. Thanks for watching. If these hacks gave you new confidence for your next trip, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more insider travel secrets, and share this video so others never lose their bags again.